Dakota! Lightning! Hi, baby! Oh, you guys are so sweet. Just walking Dakota and Lightning. My sweet friends from across the street. You guys know how much you're loved and valued for your sweetness? Hold on just a second. Hi, gentlemen. Dakota! It's okay. Beautiful Pomsky friends. Come here, Dakota. Let's see your face. Let's see that beautiful, beautiful face. Hey, it's okay. We'll get you. Nope. Dakota's no fan of the limbo, I guess, huh? It's okay. That wasn't even intentional. Come here, friends. Come here, Dakota. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let me see your beautiful face. Dakota, look at here, baby. Dakota, you guys are sweet. Okay, should we go back? I don't want to overdo your walk. I don't want to cause you guys any stress. You guys are so sweet. I love you guys. I love coming over to see you guys. You guys are gonna be great friends. You guys are gonna go see Aspen again. I've loved every minute of spending time with you guys. Hold on. Tangled up. Me! First it was you guys, and that was me. Okay. There we go. Oh. Wait. Hold on. Here you go. I gotta get it. Okay. Well, I just wanted to show off my friends. One of my many four-legged friends. They're sweet, they're precious, sweet souls. There's Lightning, and there's Dakota. Oh, they're doing the business. My apologies, friends. Alright. Oh. Here we go. Come here. It's okay, we're gonna go back home.